Hi, this is the Texas Nail Educator. My name is Madeline Johnson. I've been a nail tech since 1987 and a licensed instructor for the past 15 years. This is somewhat of a continuation of the Texas Manicure State Board exam. Today we're going to talk about creating a blood spill kit. In your CIB, your Candidates Information Bulletin, I talked about this on the last video about the written test. But now I'm going to start doing the videos about the practical exam. On page 17, it's going to tell you the information that you're going to need to have. And it says on this page that you need a blood exposure kit / first aid kit. So that means that your kit can be named either one, a blood exposure kit or first aid kit. These are the ones that I have created. So in this kit, I'm going to open it and we're going to go through each piece of it. I have a sandwich bag that says blood spill kit. It could say blood spill kit, or it could say blood exposure kit, or it could say first aid kit, either one. Then I have a blood spill bag, or you could say biohazard bag. You are not required to have a biohazard label on it. It does not say this in the Candidates Information Bulletin. However, I placed one on these blood spill bags. This is a quart bag, and the reason why it's a quart bag is because you're going to be putting a lot of stuff in it. And I put it in separately. All right, the next portion we have in the sandwich bag, this bag isn't labeled, it doesn't have to be labeled, but I'm going to go through each thing that's in this bag. We have some gloves, your choice, vinyl, latex, nitrile, it doesn't matter. You're going to have Band-Aids. I have substituted cotton wipes for antiseptic, but to do that, I've also placed a label on these cotton alcohol wipes that says antiseptic. You need to be sure you label that. And then you have your cotton in a separate bag. I put all of this in my sandwich bag. So my cotton, my antiseptic wipes, my Band-Aids, and my gloves. I put this in here, seal it up, take my blood spill bag, and then I put it inside of here. And then I have my blood spill kit.